Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by loosening the strings about 1/2 to 3/4 turn so the tuner moves freely. This prevents string damage and reveals play in the gear. Inspect the tuner housing and button for obvious wear, then check the mounting screw and bushing for wobble. Once you see the problem, remove string pressure and use the correct screwdriver and small wrench to prepare for tightening or part replacement. This first step saves time and avoids stripping screws later. Once done with the inspection, hold the tuner post steady and tighten the mounting nut just enough to remove lateral play. You want firm contact without binding. Next, rotate the button and feel the gear mesh. If it's gritty, add a tiny drop of light lubricant to the worm gear and work it in. If the screw head or bushing is stripped, replace it now with the match size part. Make sure to retest rotation and string seating before wrist-stringing. This prevents slippage when tuned. You finish by wrist-stringing and tuning to pitch, then stretch the string gently and retune until stable. This settles winding and reveals any remaining slippage. If the tuner still slips after tightening and lubrication, consider replacing the entire tuner or tightening the peghead faceplate and ferrules, because internal gear wear can be irreversible. Make sure to use a small amount of removable thread locker on the mounting screw if it continually backs out. That one troubleshooting tip solves most recurring looseness without overclamping.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.